Welcome to the Yolo Bypass Wildlife Area. I'm standing at our demonstration ponds. We use these ponds for our Discover the Flyway program. Through this program we bring 4,000 K through 12 kids out here every year. They come from 100 different schools in 5 different counties. We have a particularly successful program where we pay for the buses for classes from underserved schools. Otherwise, these children would never get a chance to learn about wetlands. Yolo Basin Foundation's been working with Department of Fish and Game on the Yolo Bypass Wildlife Area for over 20 years now. This 16,000 acre area is a complex of seasonal wetlands and farmland. Yolo Basin Foundation feels that it's very important to get the public out to see the wetlands so they can understand the importance of partnerships for the long-term health of our communities. We are particularly proud of our partnership with the farmers on the wildlife area and look forward to working with them on into the future.